Nisambula Vinaka, Namaste, and Moia Emaori Fiji. I am extremely overjoyed to finally start my job of serving you as Minister for Women, Children, and Poverty Alleviation. To my left, serving with me is our Assistant Minister, the Honorable Sashi Kiran, and to my right is our Permanent Secretary, Mr. Ashwin Raj. Over the years, I've made it my life goal to help those less fortunate, and I'm happy that I can continue that, what I love to do, on a national stage in helping all Fijians. During the campaign, we have always emphasized consensus and dialogue, and this is what I'll be doing here today. I've already met with our Permanent Secretary, that was the first order of business, and also the staff and heads of departments to try and determine where we are and where we'd like to be. Though consensus building does not end there. As an integral part of this ministry, I plan on asking you, the citizens of Fiji, on the best way forward utilizing surveys and online platforms. One of the foundations for building a better Fiji is providing equal opportunity to all Fijians, irrespective of age, gender, physical ability, or income level, thus to promote inclusivity and development. This ministry will continue to serve all Fijians through the care and protection of children, greater policy intervention for older persons and persons living with disability, more innovative and targeted income support to families living or caught in the cycle of poverty, and this ministry will continue to promote gender equality and empower women to reach their full potential. As your minister, I look forward also to strengthening and building on good partnerships with organizations whose activities and outputs support the ministry's strategic objectives and those who provide services in the area of child protection and safeguarding. Older persons, persons living with disabilities, gender equality, women's empowerment, and ending violence against women and girls. Now, during the turmoil of the last couple of months, the hymn, "We Shall Overcome," was often used as a source of inspiration. At this juncture, Fiji faces daunting poverty levels and incidences of domestic violence. But despite all these challenges, I believe with God's help and everyone working together that we shall overcome. I'm looking forward to working for the most disadvantaged in our society, comprising of almost 70% of our population, and together rebuilding Fiji to the way the world should be. May God bless the most needing amongst us. And may God bless you all as we celebrate the new year, and may God bless our Fiji. Vinagvakalevu, Dhanyabad, and Faixia. But I just want to wrap up and say firstly that we are really looking forward to working with our non-governmental partners, our development partners, as well as our civil society and NGOs. In the recent past, there have been impasses between the previous government and non-governmental organizations. We are here to commit to working with you, and we are here to commit to ensuring that hand in hand there is a partnership that works effectively and efficiently and humanly as possible to deliver to our people. We are also asking our people to please bear with us. We've just come in to the first day. We will be getting to know and learn of the landscape and the learning of the ministry in the next few days. But we are certainly looking forward to serving you in our ministry for women and children and poverty alleviation. Vinaka Vakalevu, Dhanyabad, and Faixia.
I think the minister has very ably put and looked and talked about the various things that are coming, including livelihood support. I am just honored to be part of a ministry that's going to serve, like Minister said, more than 70% of our country. We know the challenges with women, domestic violence, with children, with people living with disabilities, with aged care, and with the 20 plus years of experience on the ground, I bring some experience to the ministry, and I'm honored to be in a place where hopefully we can serve better. And at this point, I'd also like to say thank you to all the people who've voted for me, who placed their faith in me. I'd like to thank the coalition government who saw it fit for me to be placed here, to be able to serve the people in need, and I'm grateful for that. Like the minister said, we are in the process of conversation and review, and we'll come back to you later on what improvements can be done, and how we're going to serve better. Thank you.